My name is Vera Mulyani. I'm the CEO of Mars City Design. This year, we are bringing in the second workshop for AR and VR. And we are trying to show the experience with the real site where we are initiating some art installation and also a functional energy mining type of city.
For us, was very much about looking at architecture as both performative component, but also looking at how we can use technology, immersive technology in particular, to push the envisioning of future scenarios. Architecture for us is definitely a practice. It's putting a form out, a physical form out into the world. It has an immediacy to it, and we live in it.
Days, and we're gonna laugh that we ever used 2D screens, and that we got by using tiny little glass slabs in our phones and monitors on our desks to do our work, and eventually everything will just be in these headsets, and probably even smaller and lighter, and eventually integrated into our tiny little glasses. But the work we did here today was also so fascinating in that the groups produced concepts that really transcended worlds, literally to another planet.
We are creating this multi-user experience. We set up some objects, and you can place those objects interactively and collaboratively. We are just remove all the, let's say, gravity and the rigid body. We're just placing those objects wherever you want in space. It's very simple, but it turns out people like playing in this kind of environment because they have a lot of control.
What we faced in these 2 days probably was a lot of contrast with scientists and designers that are totally two different personalities, and we are kind of stuck in between these two characters. But I can say that it's very interesting seeing a scientist disappointed by a template that looks pretty much more artistic than anything else, and then turns out that even in this artisticity of the act, there is a lot of complexity that is hard to explain to.